Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Amazon Mechanical Turk account basics for income, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up your Amazon Mechanical Turk account, begin by visiting the Amazon Mechanical Turk website. Click on the Get Started button on the home page. If you already have an Amazon account, sign in using your credentials. If you do not have an Amazon account, click on Create a new account. Once you have entered your details, click on the Create Your Amazon Account button. After creating your account, go back to the Mechanical Turk site and sign in. You will be prompted to complete your profile. Provide the necessary personal information, including your payment details. Select how you prefer to receive payments, either via direct deposit or Amazon gift card. Once you have filled in your payment information, submit your profile for review. Amazon will verify your account, which may take a few hours or up to a day. After your account is approved, you can browse available tasks or hits on the platform. Select the tasks that interest you and click on them to read the instructions. Make sure to complete these tasks following the guidelines provided. After finishing a task, submit your work for approval. Once your work is approved, you will start earning money, which will be reflected in your account balance. Regularly check your account and explore new tasks to maximize your earnings. Remember to manage your time effectively and focus on tasks that pay well. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to earning income through Amazon Mechanical Turk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.